Alright guys, today I'm going to be showing y'all a trick that I like to call the four corners prediction. So what you need to do is you need to choose any card of four. So I'm just choosing the ace, so I'm going to find all four aces within the deck, and I'm just going to put them out here. Alright, there's one. There's another. Alright, so I missed one in here somewhere. And there it is. Alright, so what you're going to do is at the end of the trick, it's going to look like this. You're going to have one card as your prediction card that's going to be up here, and then you're going to have three separate piles. So I'm just going to do it like this. Alright, and actually, hold up a second. Okay, so let me just turn all three of these over because this is what it's going to be. So this is your prediction card. This is card 1, card 2, card 3. Alright. And so all these will be aces whenever you turn them over. You'll have three separate decks, and on the top of all of them will be these three aces, and then you turn this one over to reveal the last one. Alright, so how this works is you need to have all four of any card, it doesn't matter, and you'll have to do a little bit of math unless you have the eights. Alright, so in this instance, I have an ace, which represents the number 1. So I'm just going to say an ace represents the number 1 plus 7 is 8. So that's how many we'll count out, and then I'll explain that later. So first of all, you take your first ace and you put it on the top of the deck. All right. You can count out 9 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and you put the second one in there. All right. Then you turn the deck over. 1, 2, 3, 4. Whoops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and you put the other two right there. Alrighty. So now we have all of our aces inside, and so now what you're going to do is you're going to say, alright, so I'm going to predict a specific card. So you're not ever going to do this one. Okay, this is going to be your basic wild card, I guess is what you'll call it. Alright, so you're just going to count over to the 9th card and make it look like you're not actually counting over there. So you're just going to go back and do whatever just to make it look kind of random. So I'm 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright, so that's the ace. Now they don't want to see the face of the card, alright, so it's going to be face down. Alright, now you're going to turn the deck over and you're going to count or place these cards down, and while you're doing that, you want to pass the other two aces or whichever card you're going to tell them, and you're going to tell them to stop whenever you want. So let's say they stop here. Alright, you gather up the cards. Alrighty, you put them in two separate stacks, and you say, alright, so now I've chosen my card, and I've let you stop wherever you wanted. Now choose a deck. And they'll be like, alright, now do the left deck or the right deck. If they choose this deck, which is the one that we were, whenever it was upside down, we were counting out, then you need to say, alright, well, we're going to split this based on this top card in the left one. So since it's an ace, it is a 1 plus 7 is 8, so we're going to count out 8. So now you're going to take this and you're going to count out 8. Alright, now, if it was in the opposite one, if they chose this one, then you'd say, alright, since you chose this one, this top card is going to tell us how many to count out from this deck. So either way, you just tell them that you're going to have to count out this deck somehow. Alright, so now you count it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hello. Come all together. Thank you. Alright, there we go. Now you have 3 different decks with 1 card revealed. Alright, and now you go, alright, so I have my prediction card and I have 3 separate decks. And so the face card was 1 ace, 2 aces, 3 aces, and my prediction was the 4th ace. Alright, and that is the four corners prediction trick. Alright, thank you for watching, and peace out.